Okay, so I have video files that I have transferred via cable, and I then transferred the same videos via AirDrop. I was getting inconsistent readings, so first, let's look at AirDrop. I added these, I renamed these later just to show what I found. But on, for example, this first video, if you watch, it's 711, so if I go up to, if it's 30p, so if I hit 29, it should jump to the next second. Okay, so that's 30 frames a second. Over here in the inspector, it says it's 30p. All right, go to the next one. It says it's 60p. And I go over here and let's see, I'll go forward. It's definitely showing that I've got more than 30 frames in a second. So there's the 60 and it flips over. This one, oh my gosh, this is transferred via AirDrop. I wonder if something's just changed. And this shows, yep, there it goes. And 60p. This is 1080, 30. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, because that's what it is. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm confusing myself. So for example, this file, when transferred via cable, was 120p. So this is IMG 63. So let's look. I'll just click in here, and there's 31. I'll go back because that's going to be easier. And I go back, and you notice right away I've already got 3 placeholders. So if I go back more, oops, you already see it. So there it is, 120 frames per second. Right there it shows, but it says 60p right here. So I don't get it. It says 60p, but I can show that it's 120p, and it's 1080. But over here, when I transfer this same file via AirDrop, it is, let me go backwards. Oh, come on. So right there, 30 frames per second. So you see it rolling over. So this file, transferred via AirDrop, it's 1080 30. Transferred via the cable, it's 120, but Final Cut thinks it's only 60. I don't get it. So the next one, transferred via cable, Final Cut says it's 60 frames per second. I verified that it's 60 frames per second. I can come over here. You can see that's 354. Go forward. It hits 59, goes to 4. So this same file transferred via AirDrop, see file 71. Come over here, file 1. It looks like it's the same. Final Cut calls it 60. I go backwards. Let's see. There we go. 259 rolls over to 3 minutes or 3 seconds. Not a big deal. Here, let's go to this one. Final Cut calls it 60 with the cable, and I verified that it's 60. You can see this goes clear up to 53. It rolls over after 59. And then I go to the same one, number 75, right here. It's still 60 also, so exactly the same. If I look at this, let's see, look at this 120 right here. I filmed it at 1080p, 120 frames per second. And you can see right here, I've got plenty of digits. There's 101, 501. I'm going to go clear up to, there goes, 5 seconds and 119 frames, and then it rolls over to 6 seconds. But Final Cut only thinks it's 60. This same one, via AirDrop, only is counted as 30. Now Final Cut calls it this, and it really is only 30. Watch this, the frames, 14 seconds and 29 frames, rolls over to 15 seconds. Then go to this one here. I did a 720. And Final Cut only calls it 60p. I don't know why it doesn't call it 240. But let's go here. I'm going to crank this up. You can watch it go clear past 120, whatever. Yeah, so it's going to get to 239 and a roll over to 5 seconds. Right there. So it's 240, but it's only 720 resolution. The 720 it got right, but it's getting the frame rate totally wrong. And that's via cable. Now look at the same one via AirDrop. it knocked it way down to 30p. Final Cut calls it 30p. It is 30p. I go here and I just go up and say it's 1411. There's 25 frames right there. And I have no idea what's going on, but these are the same files, just transferred via AirDrop compared to via cable. Very strange. The total, let's see, what's the total length going to be? 49 seconds, 49.92. There's some weirdness going on with that. I don't quite get that. Anyway, some answers and more questions.